So there are a lot of things that'll put your Sprinter in a limp mode. These are just a few of them. There's only a couple ways to get out of limp mode. One way is if you're riding with the code reader plugged in, you can have your co-pilot clear the code. That'll usually take you out of limp mode. Not safe to do it yourself while you're driving. Don't recommend that, of course. That's not very easy, not convenient to have your co-pilot do it. So another way is to pull over, shut the key off for a second, turn it back on, and get going again. That's sometimes difficult in heavy traffic or high speeds. So I'd like to teach you about a rolling reset. Practice this at home in the driveway. It won't work as far as keeping the engine going. Just practice the motion of turning the key off and back on a couple of times before you try it out on the highway. And you don't have to be in limp mode to do this, so practice it somewhere where it's safe first. Just a quick flip off of the key and back on with the key and keep rolling. As always, I'm not a mechanic, I just play one on YouTube. Take my advice at your own risk. Do not try this at home. Certainly don't do any of this on the highway.